Ever wondered how to reset your airbag light using a scanner tool? That annoying little indicator on your dashboard isn't just for show, it's a crucial warning system, designed to alert you to potential issues with your vehicle's supplemental restraint system. Whether you've just made some repairs or are dealing with a stubborn light that refuses to go off, knowing how to reset it can save you a lot of headache. In the next few minutes, unravel the steps to reset your airbag light using a scanner tool. Before diving into the process, gather all the necessary tools. The star of the show here is the scanner tool, a crucial gadget in resetting your airbag light. There's a variety of scanner tools out there, so make sure to choose one compatible with your vehicle's make and model. You'll also need your vehicle's manual for reference, just in case. It's all about being prepared, right? So, once you've got your scanner tool checked, and your manual within reach, you're all set. With the correct scanner tool in hand, you're ready to proceed. Start by ensuring your vehicle is in a safe and stable position. This means parking it on a level surface, away from traffic, and with the parking brake engaged for good measure. Safety is paramount, and we don't want any unexpected movements during this process. Now, let's get down to business. First things first, turn off your vehicle. We want to make sure that there's no active power flowing through the system as we're working. Next, you'll need to locate the Diagnostic Link Connector, or DLC for short. This is typically found under the driver's side dashboard, but if you're having trouble locating it, your vehicle's manual should provide some guidance. Once you've located the DLC, it's time to bring out your scanner tool. This is what we'll use to reset that pesky airbag light. Connect the scanner tool to the DLC, ensuring a firm and secure connection. Once the scanner tool is connected, it's time to dive into the system. Now turn on the scanner tool and navigate to the airbag option. You'll be greeted by a digital interface. It's not as tricky as it looks, so don't be intimidated. We're just here to reset that pesky airbag light. Start by selecting the menu option, which should be clearly labeled on the screen. Use the scroll button or touchscreen if your scanner tool has one to find the airbag option. Once you've found it, give it a click. This will lead you to a new menu dedicated to the supplemental restraint system. Look for an option that says Reset Airbag Light or something similar. Every scanner tool is a bit different, but they all should have this option somewhere. Select it and wait for the tool to do its thing. It might take a few moments, so sit back and let the tool work its magic. After the scanner tool has completed its task, it's time to verify the results. With the reset process complete, it's essential to confirm the airbag light is no longer illuminated. Start your vehicle. You should notice that the airbag light, which was previously a constant nagging presence on your dashboard, is now off. This is a clear indication that the reset has been successful. However, if the light remains on, don't panic. It's possible that your vehicle may require a few cycles of starting and stopping before the reset takes effect. In some cases, the airbag light may still be on due to a more complex issue, such as a faulty sensor or wiring problem. If the light persists, it's time to seek professional help. A trained mechanic can diagnose and fix the issue, ensuring your safety on the road, and there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to resetting your airbag light using a scanner tool. Remember, safety first.